Hello, this is John Piper with the weekend video clip, and it's Saturday the 18th of February, and we're looking to start with Charles Silver. But first, the Kraut-Gap A-B conference is now scheduled for the 31st of May at Watton House in Dorking, which I believe is a great place to learn, away from the hubbub of London, etc. Fantastic building as well, great grounds. The conference will be for a lot more than just Kraut-Gap A-B. We're looking at trend following systems, silver, etc. We're looking at other systems, one of which will be extreme stop. We've got a few people who've said they will talk, Kraut-Gap users, people who actually are trading, as of course am I, and as of course are you. And it should be a great day. I mean, I'm very concerned to make it to be a fantastic day. I want to make this an annual event where people can meet once a year and discuss trading and profits, etc., etc. Anyway, the special offer, half price offer at 197 expires in the following week. I think on Thursday I said. So if you want to get on board, then at the half price offer, then I've got 20 places maximum. There's only about, I think, about 8 of those left now. So if you want to take advantage of that special offer, then please do so. I guess as quickly as possible, as they may all go quite quickly. Okay, change the chart of silver. Had the low here, 5 waves up to there, wave 2. Got decent 5 waves there. This still counts as a wave 3. But I'm getting a bit concerned with the number of 1, 2, 1, 2s we're getting here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, etc. The 200-moving average is around here. So we're basically, there's a big battle going around that level, which has been lasting a few days now. I did say that expiry week might be quieter. I did say we might see stops getting hit in both directions, which is what's happened. We can't rule out at this point a correction here. Right now I'm positioned for it to go straight up, but I'll be closing out a few longs. Not my stocks, ETF, etc. They're pretty much fixed, but spread betting positions. And if we do go down, I'll be looking for another entry point. Basically, nothing's changed. It looks pretty good. Gold is the same. Gold remains below the 200-day moving average, I think about $20 below, but it's in its sights. But again, similar sort of action, suggesting that we could see an imminent breakout. It could easily come in next week after expiry, but we had to be prepared for the market to get down a bit first. So overall, no change, looking pretty good. Looking at the DAX, so we had this all-time peak here. Sorry, not all-time peak, quite well below the all-time peak. Corrective move down to there, ABC. We've got 1, 2. Then we've got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I've got an ABC. I mentioned in my Thursday report we could see this sell-off, so that came in on Q. We're now getting up into what is a 5th wave. So it looks like we should see more action, probably above 1190, and to see the 5th wave coming in. If we see that, that could be a final gasp and some kind of major peak, probably above that level. Not definitely. I mean, obviously we've got to take out this level first. The wave 1 here is of a smaller size, about 150 points thereabouts. So I mean, this has to do about 200 points, not dramatically more in fact, but the wave pattern would be complete above here as far as this 5 is concerned. But having seen a 5th, having seen an ABC from here, you'd expect the subsequent rally to take out that high at 11.9. Major moves, sometimes that fails to do so, but right now it looks more positive. It looks like we should see a bit more upside action, certainly with 11.850 taken out. Let's get down a leg and have a look at the pattern, shorter term pattern. Right, this is a shorter term 5-minute chart, so we've got a 1, 2, some kind of 3 maybe, so that may not be over yet, so a bit more upside, a bit of an ABC perhaps, another rally up. So 11.850 should be taken out, 11.9 probably also, but this could be a final move, so we're looking at quite carefully going forwards. Alright, this is a daily chart of FTSE, so we had this rally developing there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a final 5th. So again, ties in pretty carefully, closely to what we're seeing on the DAX. A final 5th wave coming in to complete a major advance. Let's go down a leg. Okay, this is the 5th wave coming in. I guess that's a 1, 2. Very messy 5th wave actually. I guess 1, 2, 3. So we could see some acceleration here. It could be a good start to the week next week. which might of course upset gold and silver. We'll have to wait and see how that develops. All right, finally the Dow. Right, looking at this wave pattern from here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. They're quite subnormal compared to the 2 wave. 1, 2, 3. So again, we've got a similar kind of action, looking for a couple of short-term moves to complete a pattern. Quite how this bit here fits in, I'm not too sure. I'll see how that develops from some kind of peak. But certainly on the FTSE and the DAX, it looks like we should see quite an important peak coming in quite soon. That would not be surprising. We've seen a very strong rally on Wall Street, certainly. So it wouldn't be a surprise to see an imminent peak coming in, possibly next week. In fact, looking at these chart patterns after expiry, of course, is always a time when we can see acceleration. So it could be quicker than I think. But the chart pattern would seem to require a few more days to be complete. Right, I'll end the call today. Hope you found that interesting and useful. Back to the report on Tuesday morning for subscribers. If you're keen to attend the Krautgap conference, A-Speed conference, it's bound to be a good day. I'll make sure of that. So please do sign up. Good to see you all there. See you soon. Bye bye.